Hey, this is Gerald. I'm out at the Mink Point property just in front of the field. I'm trying to find some snowshoe hare here today, and usually you want to look for them around these kinds of places here. That's a hare highway. They'll be using this all winter. Unfortunately, they also have a white coating during the winter. That makes them very hard to spot. Let's have a look. I thought I saw something moving over here earlier, and there are a ton of tracks. So, let's have a look around. Well, looks like it's going to be a little hard for me to push through this spot. That's probably why the hares use it so much. Too tight for larger animals. So, I'll just go around, come at it from the other side. There's a lot of hare tracks on this property. I don't know how I haven't seen any. Can't go 20 feet without stepping over some. Here's some right here. More up ahead there. This big trail here is mine. I've been in here a couple times in the last week. Only person who has been, I think. But yeah, look at that. Just in there, that's all hare. Man. Saw a couple last year. They're not the brightest animals, but they're good at hiding. Once you see them, unless you make a lot of quick movements or noises, they tend to just stay still, try and remain cryptic. Where are you? Well, I'll get in the tree line and hopefully I'll have a better chance there once the forest opens up a little. There's some big tracks there. That's a big rabbit. Up ahead here we're getting to the hub of the two trail systems that we've got. And I don't really want to walk through here because I've got a game camera right there. I don't really want to waste memory space on pictures of me. So let's just try and cheat my way through here. Excuse me. Oh, what's this? I was just through this section a little earlier, and I heard a grouse take off. You can see right here. These are grouse tracks there. Let's see. There we go. Yep, see, he sat down right there, right in there. He was just hanging out there for a little bit, and he walked up this way. Back to the trail. Yeah. That's where he took off. See? He landed back at that first indent there. Wandered around through here. Took a little break in there. Came up to here, heard me. And you can see the wing markings there. Well, I wish he'd have stayed still a little longer. I might have gotten some footage of him. He's probably still in the area Might be in a tree, or he might have flown just see like 50 meters away and I'd never see him. Man. Alright. Let's keep looking for those hares. Where are you? There's one. He's chewing on a balsam fir. Oh, he sees me. He hears me. Nom nom nom. Good stuff. Yeah, there he is. It's a good sized one. Yeah, it's pretty good camouflage. He's not entirely camouflaged with the snow, but if you weren't really looking for him like I was, you'd never see him. Yeah, see, he doesn't seem to mind that I'm here. Might think that I don't see him. It's because I got the camera pointed at him, but I'm kind of looking off to the side. Hence the shakiness. Look at him go. Pretty nice rabbit. Oh, so shaky. I'm trying to hold it still. Let's see if I can get a little closer. He's a hungry rabbit. Oh. There we go. Wonder if he has any friends around. Oop. Getting off target there. Yeah, he knows I see him now. Doesn't seem to care though. He probably thinks he can outrun me pretty easily in all this, which is probably true. Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna put this down and take a couple pictures with my good camera. Just for later. I'm gonna pause this for a minute. Alright, that's done. Back here with our snowshoe hare friend. He's moved a little bit. Still so shaky. I need a stabilizer on my camera. I can probably stabilize it in post though. Oh, there he goes. He's off. Yep. There he is. He's just right in there. There he goes. Yep, see, what was he showing on here? Oh, he's eating spruce. Yep, just chewing on some spruce branches. His stuff here. That's white spruce. Oh, that was successful. Oh, he's still hanging around. Oh, there he goes. He doesn't like that blue jay. There he is. Might as well get as much footage as I can of him. Hey, bud. Oh. I think he heard something he didn't like. Might be something else hanging around here. Well, let's find out. Forest really opens up here. I like it. There's more maples, a few birches. Last time I was here, I found what was either large mink or pine marten tracks just over there. Something was down in here. I just heard something. Well, what do we got here? These look like they're from a large squirrel. I don't see any gray squirrel nests. They'd be up in the trees. They're big balls of leaves that they make in deciduous trees. There's not as many gray squirrels around here as the red squirrels. No, I don't see anything, so what could that be? Goes up on the tree here. It's most likely something that can climb, and it continues up that way. So I'm not sure. Huh. Well, look into that later. For now, okay, yep, these are deer tracks here. Goes all the way along the trail here, up the hill. Probably goes out over the top of the rock face. That's at the top. If you want to see the rock face in winter, just have a look at my previous tour video. I go all the way up there. It's just about 20 minutes. I don't think I'm going to go all the way there today though. I'm going to stay in the lower portions. Try and spot more wildlife. There's some much fresher tracks here actually. Not seeing as much mice as I did earlier, or as many mice as I did earlier in the year. Usually you'll see their tracks everywhere along rocky portions like this. Oh, sliding down. Oh, this hill's hard enough to climb in the summer. Just loose rocks everywhere. It's especially bad in the winter. I can hear some chickadees around. Other than that, I haven't seen many birds besides ravens. Oh, and a blue jay. Those are the birds you'll see the most in the winter. Me and Adam have been seeing a lot of pine grosbeaks at the Archibald property. They sit around in the ash trees there and eat ash keys. They're a really pretty bird. Nice. The males are red, females are a little more yellowish, about medium sized, size of a robin. Here, I don't know if you can make that out there, but that's a mouse track. It's snowing, so it's a little covered up. There's some chickadees coming to see me. Let's see if I can get a shot of them. Huh. There's 4 or 5 chickadees flying around here. If I had some seeds, I'd put them in my hand and see if they'd come land on me. But alas, I do not. Oh, there's a little... That's not a chickadee. That is a red-breasted nuthatch. Let's see if I can... Oh, he's gone. Such fast little birds. Oh, there's more! Look at that. That is a beautiful one. There's a little guy. Sounds like there's a few of them around here. I can hear them squeaking. It was raining most of the day. Oh, look at this. There's so many. Look at, I don't usually see them gather like this. This is weird. It's on that tree branch there. There he goes. I like those little guys. Very pretty little birds. A little blurry. There he is, he's just picking at a tree. Looking for insects in the bark, seeds, that kind of thing. I like them. We've got two kinds of nuthatches around here. The red-breasted nuthatch, which was that little guy. Not much longer than, well, my middle finger, but I have big hands, so, you know. There's also the white-breasted nuthatch, which is a larger species. Looks very similar, but has a white belly instead of a red one. Alright. Now, where are these chickadees? There they are. There. Let's see if I can... Oh! Flew down here. There it goes. Everybody loves chickadees. Just a little black-capped chickadee. There's also the boreal chickadees. Live in Ontario, but I don't think they range this far south. They stay true to their names and hang out in the boreal forest further north. Well, it's been a pretty nice trip. Saw a rabbit, woodpecker, red-breasted nuthatches. Oh, there's some more mouse tracks there. That might even be shrew or vole. They don't tend to hop. They more just walk through the snow. Well, I'm glad I found those hares, or a hare, pretty early on. I thought I'd have to be here for at least an hour or two before I spotted one. That was pretty lucky. It's nice that it stopped snowing, too. It's probably why those chickadees and nuthatches came out. Wish that woodpecker had been a little lower down on the tree, though. Although, I might just put in a clip... I have a clip of the same kind of woodpecker from another time. I'll put that in right now. You can have a look at it. There, did you like it? Yeah, it's pretty great. That was actually down in Oakville. Same kind of bird, though. Right. Alright, come on, lynx. Lynx or fox. Something nice. We know there's foxes here. We actually, we had a tour in here, me and Adam, in September. And we went up to the top of the Blue Trail. That's the one I did the previous tour on. And on our way back down, right in our tracks, were a few fox tracks. Followed us in. Probably looking for a free meal. Or maybe just looking for all the hares that are everywhere on this property. And here we are, back out at the field. Didn't see too much else on the way down. A few more tracks. That's about it. Another woodpecker, but didn't get a good shot of him. So I didn't expect to be making a long video today. I was just trying to get some footage for the short videos. But yeah, this was pretty nice. Hope you all enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one. See you later.